Gotta remember which is up. Said he wants a four-wheel drive on. Good. Gonna be out here for a couple of days at this rented ground. Got the black truck out here, got the semi out here for me to dump corn into. I think there's like 50 acres of corn here or something, 55 or so, and it's going to get all done. It's going to get all done, probably not tonight. I don't know, we'll just have to see how things go. I'm supposed to wait here for the cart whenever it shows up. Probably either be that or the combine first. I'm not sure, or else I would bring myself to the field if I could drive, but the lovely state of Ohio has to be a pain in the butt and say that I cannot get my driver's license, okay? Yeah. They have to, you know, be complete tards like that. And I don't like that. But you know what? I'm put here for a reason in this spot. And I'm just trying to make the best of it. I mean, that's just basically all this. All is some more that I can do. Couple of old barns here. I want to. Oops, I'm on the wrong side of the ditch. Darn it. I wanted to walk down here and take a look at these old barns because I like old barns. Okay? I like old barns. Now, I told Dad, I was like, maybe you ought to build a house out here. It's so nice and peaceful out here. You ought to build a house out here. He's like, well, we just rent the ground. We don't own it. So, but I says to him, I says, you ought to keep the buildings if you were to build a house. He's like, I tear them buildings down. I would. And it sounds like my combine's coming. It sounds like the combine's coming. I was gonna go for a walk, but it's time to get to work. I hear that combine. I do. So we'll just keep walking. Yeah, there it is. I hear it. Those 2388s, they never come with mufflers on them from the factory. So, yeah, you can hear them things from a mile away easy. But, you know, that's the way that they were designed, is with no mufflers on them. So, there he is. Well, make a liar out of me, he did not come down the drive. Okay, I'm gonna see where he stops and jump in the machine with him. Oh boy. Oh boy. Eh, if I was in slower he'd get me, but not today. Not today, you glorified corn sheller.
Sorry it took me so long.
My chariot for this evening. Ouch. As I trip over corn stalks. Truck be full. Get myself all situated in here. Put that over there. Put this in the can where it belongs. Somebody has a bad habit of leaving their Diet Coke cans in this tractor. Adjust this air seat because I am not of a bigger person. And yeah. Oh, I guess we can shut the door. What the heck? I guess we can shut the door. Yeah, Pete, go ahead.
Yeah, Brad, come back here where Jason, I loaded Jason in. Here, Brad.
Okay, go on back, Jeff. Go on back. Straight back.
Okay, give me a minute. We got her under control there, Junior.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. You're holding an important guy up. Come on.
I don't see Pete. I'm not bold. You don't have to hurry. I'm just telling you where to go.
I said you're holding an important guy up, Jeff.
What is it? I don't see Pete.
Load this one. And then we'll use the semi as an overflow. Or I guess Blackie's going back home and it's just going to be this truck and the semi for tonight. And I don't know what I'm getting tomorrow, but we'll just worry about today. In other words, if I went back towards you, it would be on the tarp?
Yes, it would. You're just barely missing it now.
Well, that tells me I'm doing something right.
There's a first time for everything.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, I can't wait till he has the first time.
First time not making a mess, or first time actually making a mess? So I guess where I'm sitting right now is, oh, shut them blabbermouths up. Is my corner of the cart is just in to where I can see the cab protector. And then the truck driver told me that I am a-okay, not hitting any on the tarp. So I am good. Going to pull straight away from the truck. Yeah, I heard that. So we don't bend the auger or nothing. And we're gonna lower the auger. Just like that. Let's see what I got going here. And of course I got the wrong mount again, but hey, I didn't know I was gonna be throwing the grain cart. So yeah. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Oh boy, them guys need to go away. I think I got one of them ham radios or something. Anyhow, I think you gotta have a special license for them. Guess you gotta remember too, everybody's on different time zones. So Tennessee, I think they're an hour before us or an hour after. And I don't know about like Africa and all them. You ready?
Man, he didn't mean that. Going again. Speed up.
Yes, sir.
Up on top of the hill, everything's done then? You're caught up to this?
I am.
Ah, good for you.
Yes, sir.
Did you do Jason's?
No.
You need to do his.
All right.
Or he needs to.
Yeah, one or the other. Not dark enough yet for the lights. Now watch that corn blow in the truck, would you? Watch that corn blow in the truck. It's all will fit in the truck, don't worry. It'll all fit in. It'll all fit in. Well, I'm gonna go around
Are you tarping, Jeff?
here.
Depends how you load. If you got it up, so just run 50 miles an hour.
And I'm gonna go to the semi because I don't think my auger is clean. I don't think it is. So I'm gonna squeeze in here like
Whatever
it
you
is.
guys tell me to do, over.
I heard that.
You need to put your phone down and pay attention to what you're doing. Yeah, why don't you let him leave, Bird, before you pull in there like that? Jeff, you're full. I would not tarp unless you give it a good shakedown. Hey, don't seem like it'll go anyplace. It ain't going nowhere. I mean, yeah, I mean, you can give it a shake.
Not quite ready for lights yet. Not quite. Just blew a little bit into the semi. Ah, this time change is fun with it getting dark at 5:30. It is what it is though. Okay, I guess I'll turn some lights on. Hey, why don't I have... Oh, there we go. I had to go another switch this way. Okay. Yeah. So, put that down. Wait for Pete to figure out what he's doing. I think he was off-road. But that's okay. But that's okay. He might have been off the road. He wants me to unload, so I got to go. Pete, I don't know how full the truck is. Nobody knows how to put it up so I can load on the driver's side going towards the back end of the trailer. Is that all right with you? Whatever. It is what it is. So I got a couple questions in some videos asking me who Pete is. And he's one of our employees that we have part-time that works for us. He's got another off-the-farm job. I'm not going to say what it is, and I'm sure you guys don't really care, to be honest. Other than he does this part-time, and I am full-time. Again, not that anybody cares. Let him go past this little shed here because there's some scrap iron laying across that we just rent the ground, so we're not allowed to do anything other than farm it. I guess I could have went alongside him, but I didn't know where he was. Gotta have LEDs. Ain't no doubt about it. They're so much better than halogens, but they are okay. I don't know which field position I like, guys. Leave down in the comment section too with this video. What field mode do you guys like? Field mode 1, as you can see here, or field mode 2. And these are the cab lights up top shining down. And then mode 1, of course, is the floodlights here. Again, mode 2 is the lights up on top, and mode 1 is without the cab lights up on top and just the 2 on the sides. Somewheres down the line we got confused in picking or planting, that we had to jump rows, and I don't really know what the cause of that is. And away I go again. I use field position 1 when I'm loading the cart, so that way I can look in, see what's going on better, how to load it. And then I use field position 2 for the rest of transport. I do not like loading the truck on the passenger side because, well, I cannot see the tarp. Okay? I cannot see the tarp. I better quit there. I better quit. Okay. I'm gonna call that good enough. So we're having dryer problems now. The thing.
Come my way just a little.
The thing keeps starting
Just a little.
and stopping, and we don't know why. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. With as much corn as we gotta pick, we might just fill the wet bin and
Come my way a little.
truck the rest out. I'm not sure. We'll just have to see how it pans out. Yeah, I do like how big these cabs are. On these Western Stars, you do have a lot of room in here. A lot of room, I will say. Where are my lights? I don't drive truck a whole lot to know. Lights? Maybe. I'll find them eventually. Ah, the next blank over. Yeah, I guess them are the lights. Marker lights anyhow. Ouch. No? Why aren't the marker lights on? Huh. Yeah, so there's my markers. They're right there. Oh, there's my markers. Sweet. We are all lit up. Aw, man, we got a strobe out. Darn it. Or do we? Yep, we got a strobe out. Ah, pooey. Or is it trying to work? I think it might be trying to work. I think it might be trying to work. I think. I don't know. Ah. Well, we will catch back up with you guys in the morning. Listen to that thing purr. Well, we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.